So earlier this week, I got a new hairstyling tool, and is this Revlon airbrush kind of thing. I don't know the official name for it. I'll figure it out and like put it in the description. But I mean, like, I actually fell in love with this. This is not obviously a sponsored like video or anything because I don't even know the name of this product, but it's unreal. So typically when I would wash my hair, I would then blow dry it if I was in a rush and I couldn't let it air dry. So I'd blow dry it with like a regular hair dryer and then go over it with a straightener because my hair would just be so frizzy and I could not go in public like that. So I would straighten my hair or curl it, use a wand, like whatever other heat product I needed to use. And it would end up taking me sometimes upwards of like 2.5 to 3 hours. I used this for the first time when I first got it last weekend, and I was able to have my hair dried and styled in under like 45 minutes. I feel like it could have been quicker. It was my first time using it and I wasn't too sure kind of how to maneuver around it at first, and I kept taking little mini breaks to run out of the bathroom and show my boyfriend how great I looked. But yeah, so I'm gonna try it right now for y'all, and you can kind of see how quickly I'm able to do my hair because I know everybody is just dying to know. I do have a lot of hair. I have very long, thick hair. It's pretty coarse. It's kind of curly, kind of wavy, but definitely frizzy. So having something that is able to style my hair in like under an hour is like unheard of. It literally looks like I got a professional blowout after I use this thing. And like I said, this was only the first time I used it. I didn't put any heat protectant in my hair. I actually don't have one that I really like. I typically just never use one. I know it's really bad, and that's probably why my hair's not so curly anymore from heat damage. Definitely gonna be looking for one, but for now, I will just show you how quick and easy this thing is and how it is changing the way I'm gonna do my hair. So I just washed my hair, shampoo and condition, just as usual. Yeah, so my hair is pretty long. It's actually pretty thick. I don't know if you can tell, but it is. So since it is still pretty thick, I am going to do it in sections just because this is not like a miracle product. The day that I can wave something over my hair and have it straight or curly or however I want it to be will be the best day of my life, but for now I'll stick to my sections. Something kind of cool is I don't have to do sections as small as I typically would with the blow dryer, so I can do sections that are a little bit bigger, and I think that's what takes off a lot of time for like the overall styling. Alright, so nothing fancy here. There's no combs being used. I'm not like pre-brushing it or anything. Maybe a bad idea, maybe not, but just how it is. I am not like a really big fan. Oh. I'm not like super great at doing hair. That's not ever really been my thing. I just kind of always go with the flow. So I'm just creating this big onion bun kind of on top of my head. As you can see, this bun is thicker than I guess most people's regular buns, and I still have a pretty big chunk of hair out here. And that's just me showing you guys once again that I do have a lot of hair. So on this tool, there are 3 settings. Well, I mean, there's off, but then there's, I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, so basically, if you saw it, great. If not, I'll tell you. It's off, cool, low, high. I didn't even bother going for cool and low because I'm an extreme person, so I went straight for high. It's loud, but it's like not any louder than a regular blow dryer would be, so I'm fine with the noise. Yeah, so I will get started. All right. Plugged in, ready to go. So this is as loud as it is on high. Not too bad. This is low, a little bit lower. And there's a cool function. I probably should use it, but I will probably save that for another day. So here we are after the first section's done. Yeah, so it's very silky, very sleek, very dry, and it took a total of, I want to say, like 5 minutes. This side took longer because I showed you guys, but like, yeah, once I finish this, the whole thing all together, yeah, probably like 5-6 minutes. Once the whole thing's done, I'll go over like my little frizzier areas. These areas always seem to kind of be a little bit more frizzy, but I'll do that at the end to kind of smooth everything out, which you can also do with this thing. So yeah, I'm gonna do the rest of my head and I'll be back. Okay, so here is the finished product. My hair fully brushed, straightened, see how silky it is? Yeah, brushed, blow dried, straightened. It kind of has some nice volume to it. It's very soft. And I think it took a total of under 45 minutes. It was great. I just still have to go over a few little spots just around like the sideburns and like my little baby hairs. But that'll be for later on. I still have to do my makeup, so I'll probably do it after I do my makeup. But yeah, honestly, this thing is a lifesaver now. Maybe not a lifesaver, but you know, it's definitely a time saver. And I don't think I will ever use a regular blow dryer again. If you do have another technique that you love, whether it be like the round brush and your blow dryer, or you know, air drying, or like if you have something else, some other kind of cool technology, that's awesome. This is just something cool that I'm super excited about because, like I said, super affordable. It was $63. So yeah, I mean, $63 to have my hair done, brushed, blow dried, nice and soft and silky, smooth, in under an hour is like unbelievable for me. So yeah, that's kind of wrapping up my review. I think it's great. I would definitely recommend for anybody to grab them one of these, whether you have short or long hair, thin or thick. It definitely will speed up your drying process. Yeah, I think this is awesome and I'm super glad I tried it out. So like I said, not a product review person, not a YouTuber. I just really like this, and I think that it's something that I tried because I watched other YouTube reviews. So if you are my friend, my follower, family, whatever, and you're thinking about getting one of these, I say 100% go for it. It has the Hurricane stamp of approval. Yeah, this thing's awesome. So good luck. And one more thing I forgot, at the end of every video, you have to say like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. And I don't think I'll be doing a ton more videos. There's like maybe 2 other things that I'm thinking about doing. Like I said, not a YouTuber, not an influencer. Just have opinions about things that I like. So yeah, like and subscribe.